KidsVision TV.
Hi kids, today we're drawing a colorful jelly. Let's draw with me. I am drawing a jelly. Let's draw with me. I love to eat jelly very much. Do you like jelly? Let's color with me. Dark pink color. Orange color. Do you like jelly? I love jelly. Light pink color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Green color. Yellow color. Now color in plate with light blue color. Dark green color.